Hi, as we move into online learning, I wanted to share a few of the practices that I've tried in using Zoom or our access to my SAS or other resources. One of my practices I use when I open a Zoom classroom, I arrive or log in before everyone else, and I go ahead and present this, and I do share my screen. So when a student comes into the Zoom classroom, they understand the etiquette and guidelines as they enter. One of the approaches I've used along with some of my other colleagues, we are using a Google Doc to format our home learning modules with our schedule and what we expect. And for this week, there's a lot here, but this is all optional for the students to engage, so we can give them feedback and they can get used to using resources online that we are going to use. One way that makes this look pretty good is using the published version of Google Docs. I've already published this to the web, so it might look a little bit different. And I publish this as a link. It is already being published now. But once I have this link, I'm going to go to my Google site and show you how that works. So this is my Google site. I have a little banner up here. I have our Zoom office hours, and then this is that document that I was just on, showing what it looks like. But to insert this document, I went to embed, and I would paste that URL from that document in there. And I've already done that, and it turns out rather clean when we view this on this is what the students will see as they go enter this website. So it scrolls rather easily. I have noticed this doesn't scroll as well for maybe a phone use, but on their computer it looks fine. In my SAS, I've posted the same thing. I have my site, which you just saw, my Google site, posted on my bulletin board along with my office hours and my Zoom links for each of the physics teachers, and then also the expectation of responding to email as a reminder. In the assignments, I went ahead and created an assignment just for this enrichment week 1, and it's basically the same things on my website. Again, it's all the resources or practices or enrichment where I can give them feedback, but I've also put the physics website for me down here. I hope that has helped a bit on what we're doing on our end of being a teacher during this time. Thanks.